Hi, here's a sobering statistic. 20% of all new businesses will fail during the first year. Now, if you're a glass half full person, that means that 80% of all new businesses will survive into the second year. The question is why? Why do 1/5 of all new businesses fail? Now, there are a lot of reasons. I'm going to give 3. And of course, if you have any more, please feel free to comment. The number 1 reason is improper planning. Before you start a business, before you invest that first dime, you must plan properly. You must write a business plan, and it has to be intricate. You have to know the products you're selling or the services you're rendering. You have to know what your costs are. You have to know what you're selling it for and understand your profit margins. You have to know if you're going to be hiring employees, and if so, how many and when. You have to know if you're going to be renting commercial space, and if so, when, where, and how much will it cost. You really have to flesh it all out. You must plan properly. And if you don't plan properly, that's the number 1 reason why small businesses fail during the first year. The second reason is inadequate capitalization. That means you don't have enough money. Now, of course, there are plenty of businesses that are started on a shoestring budget. The reason it's called a shoestring is because it only goes so far, and after a certain period of time, you're not going to have any more money. You have to calculate your burn rate. The burn rate is the amount of money you burn through during a specific period of time. Let's say you start a new business with $50,000, and your monthly burn rate is $10,000. That means that after 5 months, you're going to have no money left. Unless your revenues are put back into the company, after 5 months, you're at 0. If that happens, 3 things. 1, you're going to have to go borrow money to keep the business alive. Or 2, you're going to have to go get investors and who are going to take equity to keep the business alive. The third option, if you have no money, you're going to go out of business. And that's why inadequate capitalization is the second reason that small businesses don't survive the first year. The third reason is you. Now, I don't mean you personally, and I don't want you to be insulted, but it's the team. The team is very important. Let's say you're the type of person who likes to sit at a desk, do paperwork, or tinker. If the priority of your new business is sales, and you're going to have to get on the phone or do face-to-face meetings or sell yourself, and it's not your strong suit, you're going to have problems. You might even have to hire other people to do that, and if you do, that's going to cut into your profits. Remember, the team is essential. A C business idea with an A team beats an A business idea with a C team every time. So remember, before you start that business, plan it properly. Make sure you're adequately capitalized and make sure you have the right team. If you have those 3, your odds of surviving that first year will dramatically improve. Anyway, I hope this gave you something to think about. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day.